My dear friends, this is Santi Ghosh from Mumbai, India. First of all, I like to thank Mr. S. Mukherjee, our CEO and founder, for providing us the opportunity to become a founder of a global IT company. First time in history. In this short video presentation, I will give a briefing about the OnPassive, its success factors, uniqueness of products, how income will be generated for founders, and the opportunity. OnPassive is a global IT company expertise in AI and ML. ये कंपनी पूरा रियल है, रियल पीपल है, रियल ऑफिसेस है, रियल प्रोडक्ट्स है, रियल opportunity. Real people or Mr. Ash Mukherjee, CEO and founder, 65 plus leadership councils all over the world representing their individual countries, 600 plus IT experts, 800 plus legal experts. Real offices in Orlando, USA, registered office, in Hyderabad, India, that is the state of the art office in Hyderabad. And we are expanding our upcoming offices in Dubai and other international locations, strategic locations. Real products, 50 plus AI powered digital products है, and इसके बाद प्रोग्रेसिवली और बहुत सा प्रोडक्ट्स आएगा. एंड दिस इज़ द रियल अपॉर्चुनिटी. ये टोटल इंटरनेट सॉल्यूशंस है जिसमें ग्लोबल मार्केट इज़ आवर मार्केट प्लेस जिसका पोटेंशियल है 4.7 बिलियन इंटरनेट यूज़र. हमारा OnPassive का दो वेबसाइट्स है. एक है www.onpassive.com. इसमें टोटल प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स और टेक्निकल डिटेल्स अबाउट द कंपनी सब कुछ मिलेगा. एंड सेकेंड जो हमारा वेबसाइट है दैट इज़ www.gofounders.net. दिस इज़ एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर फाउंडर्स. जो लोग पेड फाउंडर्स उसके लिए है. हियर यू गेट लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कंपनी, टोटल अपडेट्स, कितना फाउंडर्स ज्वाइन कर रहा है इन एवरी सेकेंड्स you will see. Plus you will get the total webinars. पुराना जितना हमारा वेबिनार्स है उसका रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा, पूरा अपडेट्स मिलेगा, सब कुछ ये है. एंड यू विल गेट द टोटल थिंग. इफ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट द OnPassive, become a founder, become a paid founders and avail this opportunity. This is the unique platform. We are hiring and you will find opportunities in our career section as well as in Naukri.com, LinkedIn, everywhere. And we are expanding, my dear friends. By 2021 and it will be almost 1,000 plus IT experts. I'll tell about the OnPassive, the uniqueness, and this one I will explain the success factors. See, companies, any company, success factor based on the marketing strategy. And this 4 P's of marketing, that is the main thing for any company's success. For the 4 P's, एक फर्स्ट जो ये है प्रोडक्ट, वी आर हैविंग 50 प्लस AI डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स, हाई वैल्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, वेरी डिमांडिंग प्रोडक्ट्स in the internet market. Whatever is available, so that is based on the old technology. We are having the advanced high tech technology, AI powered. Next is the promotion. Promotion is through advertisement. You will spread the news about the company, their products, everything. So this promotion, it will be done through marketing campaign. अभी हमारा जितना भी ग्रोथ है दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन इंडिविजुअल founders support. They are doing voluntary service, and there is a growth. Plus, it is growing every day. Next, very important thing is the price. Price, actually, that is the deciding factor for the success. Our price will be the lowest price in the market, and you will get the high value products. I will explain in detail in the subsequent slides. Then place. See, this is the digital product, and digital product we are having presence all over the globe, 200 plus countries, and this is the internet market. About our product portfolio, हमारा जितना भी products है ना, एक product $1 to $1 billion, even some of the products are in $1 trillion market. Examples are like e-learning, that is O Academy, video conferencing, that is our O Connect, social media, that is our O Net, crowdfunding to help people, O Bless, digital marketing tools. हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है ना, ये पूरा टोटल सॉल्यूशन. एंड डिजिटल मार्केटर्स जो लोग मार्केटिंग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फील्ड में हैं, दे विल लव इट आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड इतना फीचर्स है, इतना रीजनेबल प्राइस, लोएस्ट प्राइस में मिलेगा, जो दे विल जस्ट कम टू अस. हमारा वो डोमेन है, हमारा वो ट्रीम है, हमारा वो क्रिएट है, हमारा वो वर्चुअल है, वो ट्रैकर, ऑडिट. Both the company I have studied, and I am using some of the products. जैसा वो ट्रीम, एक प्रोडक्ट एक कंपनी, ऑडिट एक प्रोडक्ट एक कंपनी. देन हमारा जो B2 बिजनेस है, दैट इज ओ स्टाफ, दैट इज ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, CRM, ओ लीड. सी दिस जब हमारा ये प्रोडक्ट आएगा ना मार्केट में, all this industry people, business people, they will love it. And जो features जो मिल रहा है, that is excellent. Then हमारा वो digital जो wallet है ना, वो wallet, it is having a huge markets. And ये हमारे जो wallet है totally secured, plus हमारा ये जो wallet का features है, that is you can transfer money from anywhere in the world. About हमारा जो यूनिकनेस है, हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट्स है ना, 50+ products in one place, and total digital solutions. Just some of the products I will tell you. See, O-Trim, ये जो URL शॉर्टनर है ना, ये जो प्रोडक्ट एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट है मार्केट में. यू हैव टू स्पेंड $50 to $100 बेस्ड ऑन द फीचर्स यू वांट पर मंथ है. ठीक है, ये जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा, ये प्रोडक्ट आई एम यूजिंग इट, हमारे gofounder.net में है. O-Trim I am using for my blog posts and getting the excellent results. So our O-Trim and O-Tracker, that is pre-launch stage. As a founders, we are using it. Next, I'll tell you about the O-Connect. This will make a total revolution. ये जो AI powered features है for video conferencing, that is the unique. अभी जितना भी हमारा वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग टूल्स अवेलेबल है, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द ओल्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. आई विल एक्सप्लेन सम ऑफ द फीचर्स. इट इज़ ए ऑटो लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेशंस. सो इफ यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, बंगाली में, जापानीज में, हिंदी में, कोई भी लैंग्वेज में यू कैन डू इट. प्लस इट कैन कन्वर्ट स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट. आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, वो टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. देन इट्स हैविंग डायरेक्ट लिंक टू यूट्यूब्स. Then attractive chat emojis. Next, O-Chat. वो चैट ये जो है ना हमारा प्रोडक्ट, दिस विल मेक ए ह्यूज रिवोल्यूशन। ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये वाला टोटल कन्वर्सेशनल चैटबॉट है, ओके। एंड इसमें व्हाट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन यू वांट टू पुट इट, you can train this chat, and accordingly it will do it totally AI powered and machine learning technology. It is having emotionally intelligent. It will so this product पूरा जो बिजनेस प्लेटफॉर्म है, जितना भी बैंक है, everywhere this will be used. And this itself, one product itself is a $1 billion market. Then we are having, on passive we are having B2B and B2C. In a B2B business platform like O Academy, O Connect, O Staff, O Lead, O Chat, this is having a huge potential, multi-billion US dollar market size. I'll not go into very details, otherwise this will be very lengthy. See, some of the products are like this, okay. Please go through it. Now I'll tell about our growth story. In 15th January 2019, we are having 10,000 founders. Then 23 June 2020, 1 lakh founders, and within 14 months, 20 June 2020 to 15th August 2021, 8,43,500 founders. Excellent growth. And this is a exponential growth without company's marketing campaign. Once this marketing campaign starts, it will touch the roof and you will see the total potential. Now I will tell about how income will be generated for founders. And this is a total 100% success, 100% done deal. If you listen carefully and if you know the key points, you will get it. Why it is real, why you will get a 100% success, why it is a done deal. See, this total website, whatever it will be created, operated by on passive, it is through artificial intelligence, automation for founders to generate residual income. This is a AI-powered website will be created and operated by on passive, on autopilot mode for targeted traffic, funnel, autoresponder. आपको जो भी क्वेरी आएगा ना, आपको वेबसाइट का ऊपर कोई प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, हमारा जो AI पावर्ड चैटबॉट है ना, वो पूरा आंसर करेगा, कस्टमर को पूरा सेटिस्फाई करेगा, एंड दे विल बी ऑल दिस व्हाट एवर टारगेटेड टॉपिक वो लोग का कस्टमर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, एंड इट विल जनरेट इनकम फॉर all of us founders. Now about team building, I will tell. This is autopilot team building. See, that is nothing but a customer acquisition. First one, what I explained you, that is the income generator. You can call it an income generator that will generate income for all the founders. We need not do anything, nothing. See, it's totally automated. Now autopilot team building, customer is nothing but a customer acquisition. I'll just explain it. This is a AI-powered 3x3 force matrix. So you will get customers or your team through spillover, through marketing campaigns, secondary founders, whoever will join after soft launch, after hard launch, affiliate marketers and customers, they will be placed under you. Through this, you will have a massive team generation, customers lead to residual income for you, and it will increase month after month, perpetual income for generations. So, my dear friends, this is an excellent opportunity. Everybody should avail it. I will tell about the risk reward ratio of this. See, our global founders now 8,43,500 plus. Every day 2,500 people are joining worldwide from all social strata people, from elite class, common people, even handicapped people, underprivileged people, everybody is joining. Because on passive is built for the masses to uplift humanity. ये जो फाउंडर पोजीशन है, this is now open for public. Price is $97 plus 5 bank charges. No qualification or experience required. 100% money back policy. You can take the foundership, study in detail, study this GoFounder.net. You will get the total, and if you are not satisfied, company will pay you back. See, on passive total founder position, there are two payments. First payment is to secure the founder position, and second payment you have to do on launch. When public launch will be there, that time you have to pay it. So that amount is between $100 to $250, and that will be decided with the company. And this is the subscription, and this is a one-time product package cost. After that, you need not, you don't have to give any money from your pocket. It will be through residual income. Whatever income will be there in every month, this will be minus, and balance you can withdraw. And there is no withdrawal fee. This is the excellent features. And so income opportunities है from internet. It is totally unimaginable for common people like us. Okay, and on passive platform, it is a very unique platform. It is based on 4 pillars: CATMO, complete digital solutions. We have explained. It is totally automated artificial intelligence, targeted traffic, and it will be converted into customers that I have explained. Money for all. These are the unique features. See, on passive, it is built for the masses to uplift humanity. ये जो money for all, इसका जो meaning है ना, as a founder we learn, even as an affiliate marketer, even customers they will earn. So everybody will get money. But as a founder, so you will be the top 1% of the total structure, so you will be much beneficial. Okay, so this opportunity you will never get, and this is the totally revolutionary marketing platform. First time, never happened. This is autopilot team building, autopilot recruiting, autopilot marketing. You need not sell, you need not recruit, you don't have to do anything. It is totally automated, my dear friends, and this opportunity everybody should avail. ये miss बिल्कुल ही नहीं करना चाहिए, otherwise will be missing something. So thank you, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for listening to me. Okay, thanks. Bye.